Hello, this is James with Jammin Classics. Today I wanted to kind of go over some of the products that we carry, and the one today that we're going to actually spotlight is going to be the Borgeson power steering systems. Here behind me we have a 70 Roadrunner that came in to have the power steering installed on it, and we have our kit here for the Roadrunner. From Borgeson. It comes with the steering box, the power steering box that's already made to fit the car. It will also come with the Saginaw pump, the brackets to attach to the 440 that's in the car. We have the universal joint that will help attach the steering column to the box. Gives you hardware, pre-made power steering hoses that you'll be able to use and just put right on the car. Complete set of instructions, so if you need to be able to refer back to it. They also have a tech line that you can call to for any questions that you may have, because a lot of these cars, because of their age, there can be a lot of equipment that can vary on these cars that people have changed out. There could be issues from old repairs, things that have been that you may run into when you get ready to install your kit, and their tech department is excellent for helping you with those things. We install these Borgeson kits on all the cars that we build here, and we have really good luck. They're high quality parts. They function great. They take the old style steering and bring it into the modern age with a nice smooth feel, and they just function really good. We use them on everything. A lot of these old cars came with power assist steering, which had the old slave cylinder under the car, leaking hoses and everything on them, where this system converts it to an actual power box, and they're just so much better. You'll have one finger power steering on the cars. So anyway, Borgeson power steering, and when you guys get ready, this is the company to go with for good classic power steering on your car. Pricing on these kits are very reasonable for the quality of the components that you get and the upgrade that you're making to the car. It's well worth the money. With the Borgeson power steering, you will get the highest quality parts and product that you can use on these cars. Well, for years now, we have used the Borgeson systems on our cars just because they work well, they fit well. We just don't have problems with them. You will be totally satisfied with the system. We appreciate you tuning in today, and if you can, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give us a like. If the video was any help at all, please let us know. And be sure and hit notifications. That'll help you get more of our videos as they are published. You'll get notifications of them being published. So anyway, I appreciate it, and we thank you a lot for tuning in.